Hi there, students. Eristic. This is a really good word. Eristic is an adjective or a noun. And you could, I suppose, have the adverb eristically. Okay, somebody who is eristic is somebody who likes to dispute, who likes to provoke arguments, controversy, discord. Okay, so politics is very eristic. But let's focus on it a little bit more because it's actually a little more subtle than that. Eristic defines an argument where the objective is just to argue because you like arguing. You like to dispute. You just want to show that the other person is wrong. Yeah, that sounds very much like politics. You don't aim to discover the truth or aim to discover a solution. The only thing you want to do is to dispute the other person's argument and get them to back down. Yeah? So you are arguing for the sake of argument, for the sake of conflict, as opposed to trying to resolve the conflict. Yeah, this is to do with speaking, with public speaking. Yeah, it's to do with rhetoric. So you could have an eristic argument with your friend where one of you takes one side of an argument, the other takes the other side, and you just try to prove, or by speaking, that the other person is wrong. This is eristic. Okay, politics and parliaments are really eristic. Parliaments don't normally want to solve the problems of our society. They just want to prove that the opposition party is wrong, that they've done the wrong thing. So this is to do with the theory of arguments. Yeah, if something's eristic, you're arguing because you want to show that they're wrong. You don't want to find the truth. So yes, an eristic argument. Propaganda is always eristic. Propaganda is showing that your enemy is wrong, that this is the danger. Yeah, and it might resolve the problem or it might not, but that's secondary. It's trying to show that this is bad, that this is not good. You could have a person who you could call an eristic, somebody who dedicates themselves to stirring up trouble. Yeah, they are very eristic people. They are argumentative, contentious, litigious. They're always into polemics and they're quarrelsome. They always want a scrap. Yeah, I'm sure you know eristic people. Or maybe a couple that they're only happy when they're arguing. Yeah, this would be eristic. They just want to show that the other is wrong. So, how formal is this? This is a really formal word. I'm going to give it 8.5, 9, 9.5. Use this in a formal writing, yeah? I guess you could just about use it in a semi-formal. It's a great word, though. And let's see, yeah, what would I say informally? Yeah, argumentative, quarrelsome. Somebody who argues for the sake of arguing, yeah? Somebody who's always stirring it up. Those would be more informal versions. Okay, so the origin of eristic. Well, firstly, Eris in ancient Greece was the goddess of chaos and strife and discord. And that's where the word comes from. This word eristic, I think, is borrowed directly from ancient Greek. Eristikos, eager for strife, eager to argue with, yeah? Effectively coming from Eris, yeah, the goddess who likes to argue, the apple of discord. This is the one that started the Trojan War. Okay, so eristic, argumentative, to argue for the sake of argument. There you go, it's a really good word for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Eristic.